There was no way that Luck was going to kill them.
No. And, you know, I find it very hard to believe that Luck would allow this to take... He's so strong-willed. He's like one of the most determined with Asta, you know? So it's just like, if anyone could break the spell, I feel it would be him.
I know.
But
we'll see.
We'll find out.
Yeah, it's probably Asta who breaks it, but it would be interesting if he did fight it or something.
Well, I mean, because Magna is kind of his best friend.
Yeah, so that is going to be interesting.
If he can talk to him. Mm-hmm. And I mean, because Yami was able to do it slightly with Charlotte.
Yes.
Charlotte?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So who knows? Maybe the power of friendship will prevail.
I think it might this time around.
Yeah.
So, we'll get into this.
Yes.
This is episode 104, I think. And we are ahead on our Patreon by 3 weeks if you would like early access, full-timer reactions, and the clear versions without the watermark. Those links are in the description box below.
Check it out. And don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. All right, here we go, guys.
Well, goodbye to that town.
Na 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 na.
Abby. Jeez. And
at this point, I don't know what else is gonna happen.
I don't know.
Bombs the whole.
Oh, and Luck's coming down to kill them.
Everybody.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that looks so evil.
Are you guys not like
you
magic
know this
knights?
Power. You know this power. Get on, old Bessie. Oh.
Oh. His noise. He's like a little baboon or something.
It's adorable. God, Lauren.
Oh no, there's two. Yeah.
I mean, will you guys drop Asta off? Because he... Alright, let's go.
I know.
All these little towns are like so quaint and adorable. Oh.
At least she had her purse.
And her hat. She was accessorized and ready to go. Let's not
Oh dear. You guys.
No, well, he missed aim again because he missed Noelle. Oh, never mind. I guess he was going for them.
Damn, that is powerful.
I mean, I like to see Luck do this in general.
Right.
You know, he fights.
Okay, good. Glad she caught on quick.
Queen right here.
Get her, like, where's her cat?
Kitty meow meow.
Yeah, like
taking a nap.
You got it.
Oh my! You know what?
I mean, you know you're a liar, like.
Ooh, he's so fast.
Oh! What?
Hold on. Wait a minute. Did he dodge? He dodged. You know he dodged. He missed.
Wait. Oh, because it's Luck.
It's Luck. This is the same thing with Noelle. He's awake. Oh. No. What the?
What? What?
You can't fight each other?
Yeah, I guess not.
That is tricky.
Yeah. That cat keeps... Okay, good. Something... Nani? Ooh, that's actually really cool.
Well, yeah, you know he's fast.
I know. Oh, jeez.
Oh, thank goodness.
Oh, my God.
Okay, so, you know, they're a good team. This,
yeah. Go. This is cool.
I mean, how far all of them have come, honestly.
I know.
Like, Yami would be so proud.
Yes.
Those are cool.
Yeah.
I mean, if it wasn't luck.
I know. He has been practicing, like... And you know, Luck's actually having fun, though. He's like, we get to fight.
I know. It's fine.
Yeah, right now.
You popcorn in there, like, yeah!
Oh, he's got you. Yeah, knock him out. Oh,
Lord Jesus.
That was quick. Do a little...
I know.
Like a little feint.
What is it?
Right in his face. Just drop it. Ooh, did they... Oh? Oh, he's gonna headbutt him.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, that's a huge explosion.
Oh.
Oh, that was nothing, I guess.
Oh no, is he? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Love.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Wow.
Right, I forgot he could do that.
I'll slap him a couple times.
Yeah.
He needs to keep those glasses off. He is
I know.
So charming.
Mm-hmm. What?
What? He's Thor now. He's gonna summon lightning from the heavens.
He is.
Oh shit, he really is.
Oh my god.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, hurry up. Good
yeah,
thing he's going that way. Thank God. Oh.
This is new.
Yes. Okay, they got out of the town. That was smart.
Yet they're still there.
But they're pretty close.
I would have been in the woods.
Yeah,
I
keep
would've
going. Yeah.
I'll return in a week. Like,
Yeah.
oh, this is
Oh.
gonna get bad. I don't want to. Shit, mother. Okay, no, you just keep doing that till Austin gets there. Just try yourself out. Make a web.
Yeah, that's a smart idea.
Ooh.
Oh my god. What?
What?
What just happened?
He's
Why-
missing. He's still
Yeah,
missing.
but why is it showing?
Oh, the cat. That cat.
She changes.
Fate.
She changes fate, right?
Yeah, but guys,
Oh, right.
you can't do that.
I know,
to
because
me.
like, I forgot.
I'm not thinking about that cat right now.
No. Wow, that is so crazy. Oh my god.
I need to like relax. I
gotta pour myself a drink after this episode.
I know.
How many times? I mean, literally, how many times can she do this? Oh my god,
She's just gotta push her limits
She
too.
has
Just
to, yeah.
Oh no, never mind.
Oh.
Oh no, here we are. Okay. Oh, kitty, kitty. Why is it just the humans of the Clover Kingdom?
Yeah. Oh.
なんで泣いてんだ。てめえが遊んでる間に俺は特訓してクソ強くなったぞボケ。
Come, wake up. Wake up.
There you go. There you go. Oh.
Aww. Luck.
Or Asta. Swoop in anytime if he can't do it. Asta? Yes.
Oh, it's the
Fuck.
cat.
Kitty cat. Kitty cat meow meow. Ooh.
Oh, jeez. Oh.
I like that cat.
I know.
So cute. We have turned into cat.
I know. His horn seems bigger, does it not? Or was it always
Who?
that size?
Asta?
Asta's.
It's getting bigger. I mean, okay.
But I mean, it is.
It's getting-
All right, we've heard this 1,000 times.
Shot
I
somewhere.
know.
そんな俺を仲間として認めてくれたのが黒の防球のみんなだ。誰一人として失わせねえ。誰だろうとなんだろうと今の僕の動きは捉えられないよ。
He's gonna just be like, see a bitch.
Yep. Yep.
Slap. Ooh.
Oh.
この速さについてこれるわけだ。
Half demon, I guess. So.
Mhm. Ooh.
Wow. Okay.
Yes. The fight scenes, again,
I
are
know.
just so freaking good.
ついてこれる。怒りがむき出しのあんたの気はすげえ読みやすい。調子いいよ。
Oh, did he get him?
僕の怒りを
No.
He's been kicked by Veto.
Yeah.
Your little kicking could do nothing. Okay, well. Let's not be crazy.
とんでもねえ戦闘センス。
He still can fight. I
Yeah.
love that kid.
Yeah, both of them.
Yeah.
攻撃当たるわけないじゃん。
I mean, they had practice with Veto, so
Yeah, seriously.
yeah.
Oh, he is so fast. How do we slow him down? How do we do this?
いた。まっすぐ向かってくる。完全に捉えた。ここだ。ここだ。ここだ。
Oh.
Oh, stopped him.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Oh, that was cool.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Teamwork.
That was
Teamwork at its
awesome.
finest.
Jeez.
Don't wait.
Right in the face. Right in the face. There you go. There you go.
And
There. Damn, that
sleep.
was pretty
And
hard. But
sleep. You know what? Sometimes luck will be fine.
yeah.
Oh.
And just keep going at it.
Oh, you should have done it quicker.
Oh shoot.
He's so zappity zap zap.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh, friendships. Oh, I love this.
絶対に離さないって言ったでしょ。
Yep. Just push. Use those
Yeah,
muscles you got.
yeah. Goodness.
Please don't be over. Please be halftime.
Dang it.
I hate waiting.
That was. Jeez.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Goodness.
Great episode.
Yeah.
I love when they have those the teamwork.
Mhm.
I don't even know what is it.
It's
strategies like the combat,
Yeah.
like like the you lay up. Basketball. I don't
Assist.
know. Girl. Yes, thank you. That's what it
The
is.
assist.
I love that
yes.
because even when they had it with Finral and, and him and
Yeah.
Vanessa, like that was we were going crazy.
Yeah.
I remember that and I like that. They do a great job in Black Clover.
Yeah, of
doing
incorporating all their skills together.
Yes.
Yeah, they do a really good job with that.
that. Yeah, and the quick thinking to even think to do that.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Like,
It's awesome.
don't hate our kids. They're great at what they do.
I like that. It looks like he has wings here.
Yeah. And then it turns into darkness. But was fine. Which is also a bit, we never really talked about what this could potentially do for Asta when it comes to just the demon. Like, what if it's slowly consuming him at some point? Like, he won't be able to turn back into Asta. But, well, that's obviously further down the road. But I have this thought every time. Because now we see it manifest, and it just seems like it's...
If it is growing, I'm not sure if that is true.
It looks like...
horn,
well, because I said that last time. I said, the horn looks bigger. So I think it's getting bigger. Okay. Maybe not.
It could be.
But
it could be. And that could be a thing that does happen.
A problem later on. Yeah. But, I mean, for now, I'm just so surprised Luck hasn't, like, I thought that he might have missed, like what happened with Noelle. Yeah. But it seemed more like it was the cat.
It was. Yeah, it was.
So I guess I'm just shocked because I'm like, you would think that Luck would be able to, like, give a twitch, like something to know that he's there.
Yeah, I thought, because I know was able to do it.
Yeah.
To snap out of it.
Yeah.
I was thinking Luck would be, like, the second guy because he is so passionate, especially about his friends and... I would think.
You would just think he just, but I mean, again, it might be just a special case because he has the 4-leaf clover as well. And, he was.
That's the thing. So, like, sorry, this is a little bit of a side note or side track, but, being connected to the Wizard King and then Asta being connected to Leaked somehow.
Yeah.
Because it's just like that, the grimoire situation and the demon,
which it kind of makes sense because the Wizard King and Leek were friends, or like they liked each other, and here these two
they are
further down the line friends again. But I mean, it's really it's getting the details, getting the info we need to really solve this case. But I don't know.
But, I mean, this was another great episode.
Great fighting, great images.
Yeah.
I would love to, again, like, it's interesting because they kind of share, like, whoever the elf inhabits, like, they share that power because, like, you see it with Luck because I remember when Luck was getting stronger, he had, like, the feet and the hands.
Yes.
So, but now it went to that extent where it's just, like, all the gaudiness of it all. So it's just, like, if Luck can, like, use that ability. Oh, man.
That would be really cool.
It's like they just enhance all their powers. So it's just like you can see the real possibility for all of them.
Yeah, like they show Noelle with, like, the water armor.
Water dancing over here.
So I'm wondering if they all can do that. Like, fire for Magna.
Yeah, so it will be cool, I guess, for as we get further on, we will see that with her and however this transpires where she learns this trick. But you guys, this is... I have to take a breath.
I'm out. I'm like, my energy is gone.
Yeah.
Like, sheesh.
It's great.
Yeah, I know. I hope we can get a day where we can do, like...
a couple extra. And it might happen, hopefully sooner rather than later.
Yeah.
But nonetheless, guys...
It was great.
Great show.
Always, as always. It's just been... You guys were right. Like, at this point, it's like every episode.
It's been,
so great, so...
We're here.
We are.
But thank you for watching. Yes.
Yeah, we will be back next week with some more reactions. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Can't forget about your face now. Your style and your grace now. There's clearly no debate now. You're sold in second base now.